Welcome to Healcerion. This quick start guide will show you how to use the ultrasound for your trial. The first thing you need to do is ensure that you have the Sonon app installed on your tablet or phone. Turn the Sonon on with the pink on-off button. The Wi-Fi logo button will light up when it's ready to connect. On the tablet, search for the Wi-Fi and connect to the Sonon transducer you've just turned on. From the home screen, you can enter a new patient. The work list will only populate if you are connected to a PACS. So go ahead and choose Patient List. Tapping on the plus sign will bring up a new patient registration form. You must enter a first and last name and ID number to create a file. Once you've finished inputting the information, press the Save button. Now a new file has been created for that patient in your patient list. You can now select the scan icon and begin your exam. These three dots open up another menu bar. Once that menu bar is opened, you'll see this is the preset list that you can choose from. Underneath, there's an area where you can save a new preset, move to the quick viewer, go to the setting menu, or end the exam. To change the imaging depth, slide your finger up and down on the depth scale. To place the focal zone, simply tap on the bar where you'd like to place it. Optimize the image using these controls. Increase or decrease your gain by sliding the bar up or down or tapping the ends. Dynamic range and time gain compensation are also altered this way. Press the auto gain apply button to bring it back to the preset. The expand image icon is in the bottom right hand corner. This will eliminate the menu and give you a full image screen. To initiate color flow, press the color flow icon. This will bring up the color flow menu and show the color scale bar. Ending the exam will take you back to the patient list and show you the patient file containing exams and images. From the patient file, you can choose images or entire exams to be printed, saved to file, or emailed. We're back now to the home page where you can choose patient list and enter the next patient. Healcerion's Sonon series of ultrasound provides truly mobile ultrasound imaging. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any other questions.